Alright, so let me show you the key user concept that you can implement using our tool. So this user is a simple end user. I want to execute transaction BP, but I'm not allowed to use that, so let's report this as an error. I double click on the SAP logo, allow the program to take a screenshot, and now I can enter the subject. So the reason why we have this key user field here is that we do not have authorization to send tickets directly to BMC Remedy. Now I have to choose a key user from the system. You have many different ways how you can define key users which are assigned to an end user. You can do it with the organization chart module of SAP. You can do it with the distribution list functionality of SAP Office, or you can simply populate a customizing table. Let's check the BMC Remedy fields. Okay, these are the default values. This seems to be fine. Let's send. But now the ticket is not sent to BMC Remedy. I get a message that this was sent to the key user. So let's jump to the key user. Let's execute anything, and then I get an express message. This is optional, but you can set the program up in a way that you will get an express message about the ticket that was sent to you. You can also send these notifications via SAP Office emails or standard emails to any email address. So now this is the ticket that was sent. Let's check what we have here. Here we have all the attachments that are added, like the screenshot, an authorization report. So now I can see that really this user tried to execute this transaction and it was unsuccessful. Now I have the solution also attached to the problem. I can check all the details in the PDF file that is generated, which has a header, all the user input, and all the technical details. I will not go into too much details on this, but based on this information, now I can make a decision if this is a real problem or just a user mistake. And we have a special transaction which displays you the tickets that were sent to you as a key user. So this is the one that we just, the other user just created. So if it's not really a problem, it's just a user mistake, then you can reject this. Or if it's a real problem, you can send this ticket to BMC Remedy. If you press the button, then the same data comes up. Of course, because you're a key user, you might want to add some extra comments. You are the expert. You might even change the fields that were proposed by the end user, so you might know that this is something that has a high urgency. And then let's check what happens if you send it. The ticket is opened, and here the main feature is that the customer and the contact are different. So this is the end user, and this is the key user who has submitted the ticket. Naturally, you have all the extra information, all the attachments added here. The notes, summary, all the fields are populated, assignment group is set automatically, and so on.